Hey guys, welcome to another video here today. Hope everyone is having a good start to their Thanksgiving. I know this is kind of going to be a special Linux escape room episode here, mainly because I was planning to do just Tuesdays for my Linux escape rooms, but I figured for the first few containers, because they're going to be pretty simple, the first few ones, I'm going to try to release them whenever I kind of have a big backlog and just kind of release them throughout certain days. So my main release will always be on Tuesday. So there'll always be like a guaranteed release on Tuesdays until I run out of content. But I might have some extra content throughout the week in case you're interested. So we'll be releasing our third escape room now. So the first two are out. So we're going to be showing you the walkthrough for number 2 in this video. So if you have nothing better to do for Thanksgiving, feel free to download my number 3 escape room and try it out. So let's get started. All right. So on my Docker Hub, if you haven't seen it yet, this is my Docker Hub. It's pretty simple. There really isn't too much to it. I will also put a link in the description of this video so that you can just go to it directly. But we got our escape room tags here and how to run it. So we'll copy that. You'll need Docker installed for it to run. And then we'll paste it, and then we'll do the tag for number 2 for this level. So it will pull it down, and we will begin the escape room here, essentially. So there gives you the introduction. Pretty much the introduction is going to stay the same across all of my escape rooms, so there's nothing really to like read again if you've already read it. But we'll start off with the help, where it pretty much tells you there's a script somewhere to run. Maybe it'll give you something useful if you run it. So essentially, let's go to our room here. And we can see that there is a .sh script that we can run. So for those of you guys who are wondering, yes, you could totally cat the script and it will give you a lot of stuff that won't matter and you'll probably question your life because it's actually a compiled script as opposed to just like a bash script that you guys can just read. Mainly because I want to focus on actually making this, you actually have to make it executable and run it. So if you were to just run the script, it says permission denied, which is true because the executable flag, which you would see in X here, does not exist. So there's essentially 2 ways that you can do this. To make a file executable, you can use chmod plus X, run this script, and it will allocate the X plus X essentially on all these, which you can run it. The other way to do it is if you use chmod, you can do numbers for file permission. So you can do like 755. So essentially it will allocate the exact same thing here. So this would be 7, this would be 5, and then this would be, and then the last 3 are 5 essentially. And I can go more into a video about explaining file permissions if you guys want it. So just leave me in the comments below if you want something in regards to how that works. But you can do that too, and you'll see that you get the same permissions here as well. So now we can just run the script, and essentially you get the same thing as like the previous video. You got a key, and considering that there's nothing else, this is probably the key for the escape. So we'll run the escape command, paste the key, and we will get the train that indicates that we have successfully escaped with text that's saying that you have successfully exited. So there we go. We have successfully unlocked the door. So that is how you get through escape room number 2. So escape room number 3 will be has been released as this video has been released. So go take a stab at it, and then if I find I have way too much time on my hands during the holidays, which I might release escape room 3 walkthrough before Tuesday. But if not, Tuesday will be definitely the day that the next one comes out. So but if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.